Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update, Soundcore R500 neckband style earphones with 20 hours of playback time launched in India. Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro tipped to offer 33W fast charging support. So Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro tipped to offer 33W fast charging support. Samsung to remove ads from preloaded apps through an update coming later this year. Asus ROG Strix Aerion S500 portable SSD with up to 1050 Mbps transfer speeds launched in India. Google fined by Russia again for failing to remove banned content. Facebook Horizon Workrooms VR remote work app launched and touted as a step to the metaverse. Pokemon Unite opens free registration for Android and iOS devices, launching on September 22. Vivo X70 series may launch alongside tablets, smartwatches, and Vivo X70 Pro Plus purportedly gets certified in China. Skyrim's iconic "Are You Finally Awake?" into broken down by game developer. MI Band 6 with SpO2 sensor to launch in India on August 26, and a new MI notebook set to be rebadged Redmi Book Pro 15. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition with ROG Remix Sampler launched in India. Netflix rolls out spatial audio support for iPhone, iPad. Cryptocurrency heist, Poly Network offers hacker top security job and insists on him keeping $500,000 reward. Flipkart Mobile's Bonanza sale brings deals discounts on iPhone 12 mini, Poco M3, Moto G60 and more. Amazon warns merchants about antitrust bills in Congress and says might hurt their business. Eternal's final trailer answers the Thanos question and introduces Deviants. Moto E-series smartphone renders allegedly appear online and shows dual rear cameras, water drop style notch. Windows 11 will make changing default browser more difficult for users. Apple asked by policy groups to drop plans to inspect iMessages. Samsung Galaxy M32 5G launching in India on August 25 at 12 noon, and Amazon availability confirmed. Aurora releases industry-first tool to gauge safety of self-driving systems. Cryptocurrency scam involving 22 million uncovered in UK and victims spread across the world. Netflix paid $55 million for Leonardo DiCaprio and Jennifer Lawrence team up. YouTube search to show chapter thumbnails better recommendations for translated videos. Then Elon Musk AI Day confronts tough questions about Tesla's technology. WhatsApp testing 90-day option for disappearing messages on Android. So WhatsApp testing 90-day option for disappearing messages on Android. Former Netflix employees charged with insider trading and accused of illegally using subscriber growth data. T-Mobile data breach. Data leak of 7.8 million customers. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and Galaxy F42 5G India launch tipped for September. Then Anthony Mackie inks new deal to lead Captain America 4. And making diesel from ramen broth, Japanese transport company makes it possible. Then Amazon Alexa gets Amitabh Bachchan's voice in India for a price. Motorola Edge 20 Pro India launch soon, company executive confirms. Then JioPhone next step, price in India and specifications surface online. Motorola Edge 20 Pro will be launching in India soon. Samsung Galaxy M32 5G India launch on August 25, specifications reviewed. MI Band 6 fitness tracker with SpO2 sensor to launch in India on August 26. Google Facebook unveil Asia undersea data cable plan. Amitabh Bachchan's voice now available on Alexa. Realme GT and Realme GT Master Edition with 120Hz displays now in India. Redmi 10 with 50 megapixel primary camera launched. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G with Snapdragon 778G SoC launched. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.